YouTube channel. My name is Mawa, and just a minute, I want to welcome every new subscriber in this platform. We talk about parenthood, we talk about being a mom, we talk about being a mom, just everything to do with homemaking. For the returning subscribers, oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited to be your host today. And you guys are not ready for the kind of recipe we're having tonight. It's been a while since we made dinner, since we had these environs, and I am here like I never left. Check out our previous videos, they are superb, amazing. And today's recipe is quite simple. We're making matoke. Matoke is basically just beef, some potatoes, some cassava, some arrowroots, any kind of rooty starch you want to add in it. So that's what we are making. We'll be having it with watermelon, mint, mocktail, and stay tuned because it's about to get interesting. See you guys.
Shaking word, I still embrace my decision, crystal clear. Ride with you, I have no fear.
Ingredients of the day: we have onion, we have tomatoes. The green onion and the dania are straight from my farm. Also add some salt, garlic powder, and some curry spice. So this is everything we'll be using tonight. In my cooking pot or in whatever you're using to make your meal, add in your onion. Did I introduce Leo to you? So add in your, oh my god, Jesus Christ. Add in your onion. He does this all the time. I honestly get scared that he'll get burned, but anyway, he's like the best friend you never had. Yeah, so you add your onion. This is my meat, it's already boiled. Normally I boil my meat in the same cooking pot that I'm going to be using, but today it will be quite difficult because this is what you're having and it can't fit in this, so we gotta do this. Add some cooking oil. How do you guys make your matoke, by the way? For those that do not know, matoke is majorly an African dish that is made from Uganda. Like its native place of origin is Uganda. In Africa, yeah, so cook your onion until it's kind of golden brown, and then I'll add in my meat gradually. We're doing this together, so stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Just hit that red button, hit that red button. It's somewhere on your left, your right, just somewhere there. Hit it again. You see the bell? Hit it as well. You'll be updated anytime you have a new video. And get this, you're gonna have amazing videos, guys. You're gonna have amazing content, so hit that button, hit it again, hit it until it turns white, Then the bell for notification. Like this video, check out our previous ones. This is just majorly being a mom, living life, homemaking, a day at a time, just making things work in life. And yeah, if you're in that stage of life, trying to figure out things, trying to maneuver your way through life, then we are in this together. Let's do that in the comment section, in the subscribe button. And guys, I love you so much. The previous videos are growing so well. Oh my goodness, the tours and travels are amazing. And you guys, I also know that you've been buying from Tanoil. That is the first brand that has partnered with us in this platform, and they deal with sportswear and errand bags and just errand wares. Guys, patronize them. Tell them you came from Timawa, and we are growing and we want them to grow as well, because we rise by lifting others. You get what I mean? Let's do this.
On the floor, visions rearranged. Words on reverse, everything feels strange. Rewind. Liquid in my lungs, drowning in the beat. Glug, glug, static in my brain, cycle on repeat. Shadow hands pull, dragging me inside. Come through, lost in your eyes, nowhere left to hide. Mirror cracks wide, fragments start to glow. Shadow, every single step feels.
Everything is added in here. I'm just going to add in some water and then give it some time to boil as I make the watermelon. So yeah, as I make the watermelon mint mocktails. Look at that. This will take about 10-20 minutes at most, and then we're ready. These are our ingredients for mocktails. I'll be making it in this glass. I have some few ice cubes. I have lemon juice, concentrated one. This is my watermelon juice. It's freshly made, and well, some Sprite. So in here, I add in my ice cubes. Ensure that your hands are clean. Add in some few pieces of ice cubes. Well, the more the merrier anyway. So when you add in that many ice cubes, you'll go in with some juice. Add in your watermelon juice, just some small amount there. Add in your lemon juice, concentrated. You can make fresh lemon juice if you have it. So just go in with yeah, there. And then go in with your Sprite. Sprite. This is our lemonade, not lemonade, sorry. This is our watermelon and mint mocktail, juice or mocktail, whichever name. Yeah. Our food is still cooking. We'll give it some more time to cook properly as I sip on that. Yeah, and guys, see when this is ready. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you've not yet done that. My son is calling, parenting is calling. Let us go do that. This is the final result. Amazing. So I'm going to serve. I already added my garlic, my dhania and the other green onion. I'm just gonna serve now. Thank you so much for watching. Our dinner is done. We're just gonna eat and then call it a night. If you have not yet subscribed, another quick reminder, please hit that red button. Hit it hard enough. We do more of homemaking content in this channel and you will like it, I promise. If you're in a season of just figuring your life out, this is a place for you because we are figuring our life out as well. So see you in the next one. Love you, bye.